Gina. I've got two curated bead boxes to go through today to show you what's inside them. One is a limited Easter edition and the other is this month's, of course. This one's called Sunshine and this one Easter. So let's look at the Easter bead box first and see what's inside here. Now this curated bead box is $20 a month, and it is a subscription. And if you use the code GINA 35%, and I'll put it in caption, you will get 35% off your first order if you're a new subscriber. Let's go ahead and look and see what's inside this one. Oh, lots of pretty little pastels and bunnies and all kinds of cute stuff. So let's look and see what's in here. Now on these boxes, everything that is inside is listed here. And I'm going to go ahead and go off camera and put them in order, and then I'll come back, and that way I can go through them with you and tell you them in order. Okay, so this is what's in the box, and let's go ahead and look at them and see exactly what they are. We start with 10mm soft lavender crackle spray glass bead, and this is really cool because it has little splotches, sprays of lavender through the clear crackle glass. It's really pretty. I haven't seen that before with the little splotches of color. That's pretty. And that is the first strand. The second strand is 8mm light rose crackle spray glass beads. Same thing, except for this one has rose color splotches. Really pretty. Nice long strand, this one. This is an 8-inch strand. This one is a 16-inch string. So, nice long string of beads. And then we have 8mm marble style pink glass bead. So again, let's get close so you can see the marbling of the colors on this. It's really pretty. Very Eastery. Very pretty. And then we have a 8mm light cornelian style glass bead 16-inch string. So that's this one, and this is pretty. It's kind of a crackle glass, and it's very pretty color. Very nice. And then we have a 6mm Amazonite style glass bead, and this is a 16-inch strand, and this is really pretty too. And then we have one in light amethyst style glass bead, and this is also 16-inch strand and 6mm. And then we have a tulip crackle spray glass. So this one's really pretty too. It again has the crackling in it and the spray of color. Really pretty. These are all really pretty. Then we have some cute little bunnies, and these are dyed turquoise, what does it say? Dyed turquoise bunny charm, 16-inch string. So there's a bunch of bunnies on here. And then we also have the dyed turquoise charm, and this is 12 by 16 cross turquoise charm, 6-inch string. I'm sure it's just how light it's dyed. I can tell that it's not actually turquoise, but it's turquoise color. So that's what that is. And then we have a little mix. It's called Cotton Candy Bead Bag Mix. So this has all different pastel colors, different styles and types of beads in it, and quite a few of them. So let me get a few out so you can see some crackle glass and some opaque glass, some of these lampwork type beads, all different pinks and blues. Oh look, there's a little mushroom. These cute little whimsical things in here. You could make some cute stuff with that. And then we have some bunny charms. Look at these. And the nice thing is they're double-sided. Let me get you a little closer so you can see. They're really cute. I'll take one out. People don't like it when I leave things in the bags, so let me take it out so you can see them better. Those are really cute. This would make a cute pair of earrings even. And then there's some cross beads here. So these are 10 millimeter silver metal spacer bead cross with Christ. So if you can see on there, it's hard to see the little Christ on there, but it's on there. Okay. And then we always have a bag of findings with the Curated Bead box. There's always a good, nice selection of findings. Memory wire, which is always nice. And then some stretch cord. Lobster claw clasps. Earring wires. Beading wire. Crimp beads. Head pins. And jump rings. Which, in this box, what I like about it is you have everything you need to make a project. You don't have to add anything to it if you don't want to. Of course you can, but you don't need to. And this is a really nice combination of beads for Easter. It's really pretty. I think she did a really good job putting this one together. And this is a limited edition box, so you'll want to go to curatedbeadbox.com and check it out and see how you get yours. Now, let's go ahead and move these aside, and let's open up this month's box, which is called Sunshine. Let me open this here. And again, everything's listed right here on front. And this has some really bright, pretty colors in here. So, and a lot. This one has a lot in it. More than usual, I think. So, again, let me go off camera and put all these in order so we can go through them efficiently. Okay, right back. So this is what the box contents look like laid out. And we're going to start with the 12 millimeter burnt orange jade style glass bead. 8-inch string. That's a pretty color. And in my camera I can't tell if it looks orange. It's really orange, but when I'm looking in my viewer it looks kind of red. But it's a very burnt orange color. And then we have a 10 millimeter parfait marble style glass. I think that's this one. And this is pretty too. It has all the little marbling of colors in it, orangish, yellow. I think that's what that one is. It could, I think so. And then we have 10 millimeter carnelian duo style glass bead. So I'm thinking that's this one. These descriptions were getting me a little bit. I'm pretty sure that's what this one is. And that's really pretty because it's kind of crackly with different colors through it. It's really pretty. Okay, and then we have a 10 millimeter round mink glass pearl. So let's back this off a little so I can bring these up. And you can see what they look like. And that's really pretty too. That's a different color. And then we have a 8 millimeter carnelian style glass bead 16-inch string. So another carnelian style. It's really pretty. Long strand. And then we have a 8 millimeter orange gold leaf style glass bead. And this is a 10.5-inch string. And it's got the gold leaf, yeah. And then we have an 8 millimeter orange and yellow faceted glass bead. I don't know. This doesn't look too orange and yellow to me, but maybe it is. It looks more orange, but I'm pretty sure this is the only faceted one, so I'm pretty sure that's what that description is for. Let's see what that looks like. It's really pretty. And then we have 2 strands of beach glass. One is apricot and the other is orange. Orange and apricot. And I love these beach style. For some reason, something about the matte finish I like. So those are nice. And then we have the rustic pearl. And this is champagne. And this is a nice long strand. I like these rustic pearls. These are really pretty. You can see the texturing on it. It's really nice. I'm hoping you'll be able to see it. My lighting is kind of weird today. And then we have a 4mm burnt orange crackle glass bead. And there's that. And again, in my viewer it looks red, but it really is burnt orange. It may come across in video better. And then we have 6mm, 20 by 18 deep gold vintage style glass beads, 6 beads, and that's these. It's kind of cool. They're kind of rustic looking. They're very vintage looking. Kind of amberish. And then we have some lampwork style beads. These are bronze wavy lampwork style glass beads. And that's these. Looks like it has some foiling in it. And then there's some metal beads here. Golden color. And good spacer beads. And then of course we have our findings bag. And just like in the other box, this one though has gold memory wire, gold stringing wire, and all the findings are gold. So we have, of course, our stretch cord, gold ear wires, gold head pins, gold lobster claw clasps, and jump rings, and there's always some crimp beads. So again, you can make a piece right away. That's a very nice mix of colors. Very pretty. If you've enjoyed seeing this and you would like to have a box, go to curatedbeadbox.com, put in the code GINA 35%, and if you're a new subscriber, you will get 35% off your first box. It's always nice to build your stash with a bunch of beads, different sizes and colors like this, and it's a very affordable way to do it. And if you're just beginning, it's a really nice way to get a stash of beads built up so that you can just go into your bead room and find what you want. Okay, so that is the curated bead box. That is the sunshine, and this is the Easter. And that's a nice bunch of beads. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.